Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to add member in FeedMe. Add member in FeedMe, there's a 3-step. Let's follow me. So first, select on the bill and just click More. Then you click Customer. If your customer haven't joined your membership, click on the contact and type on their phone number and just click Confirm. After that, your customer will receive an SMS and they just register after this. Okay, if your customer already joined the member and download the FeedMe apps, click and show the QR code and click here and scan it. Then automatically you load it. If you're using a device such as the iPad or tablet and there's a camera on it, so click on More, click on Customer and click Open Camera and scan like this. Automatically then it will detect. The third way is, if you assign the member card number, click on here and just type it. Just click Confirm. Then also you will detect your customer membership. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Post, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找 post system, 找 Aseng.